Magandang hapon po ng Friday, January 3, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 3D Lotto at 2D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, January 3, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 3, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, January 3, 2025. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for January 3, 2025, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, January 3, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.